we can, I think, start with how do you implement a churn prediction model? What are the main components and what do you need from your client?
Yeah, so I think indeed this is a good use case because it's not too complex. You can really easily understand what it means in terms of business. Like, yeah, usually retention is way less costly than acquiring new customers. So you really want to keep these customer inside your company. So it's quite easy to understand, but you have a lot of those problems that arise in many machine learning use cases, and it's not such an easy use case in the end, the churn use case. And the first thing is that you need to first translate this business goal, the fact that you want to retain your customer, you want to translate that into your data. And I usually call this like a technical goal. So what are you going to then achieve in terms of technical goals? And that comes down to the data that you have, basically. Do you have data about subscriptions? Are your customer paying some kind of subscription on your platform? Or are they just like coming and visit the platform and without having a subscription? So there already you know that you need to define what you call the churn. Is it like when they just cancel the subscription, or is it when they stop using the platform? Because these are two different things. In this specific case, we chose to use the events. So every time that you would have an interaction with your customer, it would be called an event. Like he comes and click on the platform, he uses it to do some transactions. Every time that there is actually an interaction, or he calls the call center, it's kind of an event that happens. So you can monitor these events, and you can then see that at some point these events stops or fade away, and that's when you have your churn. So that's what we then define as the churn moment. But it's already too late, because like if the customer has churned, well then it's probably going to be very hard for you to get this customer back into using the platform.